The equation our pair is asked to balance is phosphorus reacts with oxygen gas to yield diphosphorus pentoxide. So the first thing we need to do is write out the equation. So we'll write phosphorus, and it's solid, reacts with oxygen gas, which is diatomic, to yield, and we draw the arrow, diphosphorus pentoxide. So looking at this, we see if we take an atom inventory, okay, we see that there is 1 phosphorus and 2 oxygens in the reactant side, and 2 phosphorus, 5 oxygens in the product side. So we see in this case that there are problems both with the phosphorus as well as the oxygen. So what I'm going to do is look at the oxygen and see that 5 times 2 would equal 10. So I'm going to try, that's the only common multiple that they have. So in order to do that, I'm going to place a 2 in front, so that gives me 10 oxygens, and then I'll place a 5 coefficient in front of the oxygen, which makes 10. So my oxygens are balanced, but because I placed the 2 there, that also affects the phosphorus. So 2 times 2 is 4, so I'm going to go over here and just place a 4. So now it looks like that my phosphorus going in is 4, coming out is 4, so this equation is balanced. The next thing I need to do is I need to go ahead and draw shapes. So what I'd like to do is assign a different color or a different shape to each element. So for the phosphorus, I'm going to use a circle. And since there are 4 of them, I'm going to draw 4 circles. They are not connected because they are 4 atoms. There's no subscript on the P, so I'm just going to represent them as 4 circles. On the right-hand side, I see phosphorus, 2 molecules of that diphosphorus pentoxide. So I need to draw at least 2 of these, and I'll finish the molecule part later. I'm going to go back and assign a color or a shape. I think I will go ahead with a triangle for the oxygen. So the oxygen will each get a triangle, but because I have 5 of them, they are each paired up but 5 times. So 5 pairs of oxygens. So right now I have 5. Now I'd like to go ahead and draw a line here to separate my reactants and products. Now on the right hand side, I need to go ahead and add to the phosphorus, I need to add 5 oxygens. So for each molecule I'm going to add 1, and this is going to be bonded, 2, 3, 4, we'll add another one, 5. Now this whole thing, because it's taken twice, I have P2 and then 5 oxygens attached. I need to duplicate this entire thing again. So I need to go in here and grab 2 more phosphorus, 1, 2, and they're going to be bonded together. And then I'm going to go and get my oxygens and attach those. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I have 2 different molecules produced, and coming from 4 atoms. These would be at the atom atomic level with the phosphorus, and then reacting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 molecules of oxygen. And that would be the balanced equation, showing it with shapes as well.